Boston Dynamics Spot Robot Dog goes on sale. Boston Dynamics is announcing this morning that Spot, its versatile quadruped robot, is now for sale. The machine's animal-like behavior regularly electrifies crowds at tech conferences, and like other Boston Dynamics robots, Spot is a YouTube sensation whose videos amass millions of views. Now anyone interested in buying a Spot or a pack of them can go to the company's website and submit an order form. But don't pull out your credit card just yet. Spot may cost as much as a luxury car, and it is not really available to consumers. The initial sale, described as an early adopter program, is targeting businesses. Boston Dynamics wants to find customers in select industries and help them deploy Spots in real-world scenarios. If you're interested in one, you should go to Boston Dynamics website and take a look at the information the company requires from potential buyers. Again, the focus is on businesses. Boston Dynamics says it wants to get Spots out to initial customers that either have a compelling use case or a development team that we believe can do something really interesting with the robot, says VP of Business Development Michael Perry. Just because of the scarcity of the robots that we have, we're going to have to be selective about which partners we start working together with. As you've probably seen on the YouTube videos, Spot can walk, trot, avoid obstacles, climb stairs, and much more. The robot's hardware is almost completely custom, with powerful compute boards for control, and 5 sensor modules located on every side of Spot's body, allowing it to survey the space around itself from any direction. The legs are powered by 12 custom motors with a reduction, with a top speed of 1.6 meters per second. The robot can operate for 90 minutes on a charge. In addition to the basic configuration, you can integrate up to 14 kilograms of extra hardware to a payload interface. Among the payload packages Boston Dynamics plans to offer are a 6 degrees of freedom arm, a version of which can be seen in some of the YouTube videos, and a ring of cameras called SpotCam that could be used to create street view type images inside buildings. Boston Dynamics would not give us specific details about pricing, saying only that potential customers should contact them for a quote and that there is going to be a leasing option. It's understandable, as with any expensive and complex product, prices can vary on a case-by-case basis and depend on factors such as configuration, availability, level of support, and so forth. When we pressed the company for at least an approximate base price, Perry answered, "Our general guidance is that the total cost of the early adopter program lease will be less than the price of a car, but how nice a car will depend on the number of Spots leased and how long the customer will be leasing the robot." Last June, Boston Dynamics said it was planning to build about 100 Spots by the end of the year, eventually ramping up production to 1,000 units per year by the middle of this year. The company admits that it is not quite there yet. It has built close to 100 beta units, which it has used to test and refine the final design. This version is now being mass manufactured, but the company is still in the early tens of robots, Perry says.